Good afternoon. It's Isabel here to talk about how to navigate your dashboard when you log into Fiona. So here I am, I've logged into Fiona, and this is the screen she greets me with. She's saying, "Welcome back. Where do you want to focus today?" So there's a few different widgets on the dashboard based on what I want to do today, what my role is, how I use Fiona. So for marketing managers, this property performance, aka the prioritization station, is super useful for firefighting. So right off the bat gets into what are my worst performing properties, and then I can also sort by my top performing properties. So I've logged in and I'm saying this month I don't have to worry about Vintage on Selby, Bainbridge at West Shore Marina, but let me see which ones I should take a look at right off the bat. So it looks like for March, maybe Fremont could use some work. So I can click in there, go to my property dashboard, and start evaluating where I need to reinvest my marketing dollars or what I need to work on to improve my property's digital health score. Scrolling down from there, there's a few more widgets on the dashboard. So here in Newsfeed, a great way to just keep up to date on some daily tips, some property happenings, so labeled by the different topics. So a daily tip being, hey, for email campaigns, you should try A/B testing. So how do I tell if one subject line is working better than the other? We test it out. And then we've also got some different website analytics. So taking a look at my top performing websites, my slow websites, different things like that. A fun read digest similar to Twitter if you have some time to kill and looking for some information and tidbits on your property. From there, two more widgets on the dashboard. Recently viewed properties, fairly obvious what this widget is doing, but it's showing me where I left off. So last week I was looking at Madison Landing. Maybe I want to go pivot back in there and take a look and confirm my budgets for March. Below that is my portfolio overview. Again, nice to have. Shows me how many properties I have in my account. I'm really busy. I've got 114 properties and I've got quite a hefty monthly budget ahead of me. So from there, I can go to my properties tab and start to dig into each property individually. That covers the dashboard when you log into Fiona.